Definition of astrology. Astrology is a metaphysical system that examines how the positions and movements of celestial bodies influence human lives and earthly events. It posits that the alignment of these celestial entities, such as the sun, moon, and planets, at the moment of a person's birth creates a unique cosmic imprint that can provide insights into their personality, behavior, and life circumstances. Astrology encompasses various branches, including natal astrology, individual birth charts, mundane astrology, world events, horary astrology, specific questions, and electional astrology, timing for events. Each branch offers different tools and techniques to interpret astrological phenomena. Purpose of astrology. Astrology serves multiple purposes: self-discovery and personal growth. Astrology can be a powerful tool for self-exploration. By analyzing one's natal chart, individuals can uncover their strengths, weaknesses, and inherent talents. This insight can guide personal development, helping them align their actions with their true selves. Decision-making guidance. Many people consult astrology when faced with significant life choices. By examining current astrological transits or using horary astrology, individuals can gain clarity and confidence in their decisions, whether related to relationships, career paths, or other major life events. Relationship insights. Astrology offers tools for understanding compatibility between partners. Synastry compares the natal charts of two individuals, revealing how their energies interact. This understanding can foster healthier relationships by highlighting potential challenges and areas of harmony. Understanding life cycles. Astrology acknowledges that life is cyclical, emphasizing the importance of recognizing personal timing through planetary movements. This understanding can help individuals navigate periods of growth, challenges, and rest, allowing them to align their actions with the natural rhythms of the universe. Historical roots. The history of astrology is rich and complex. Ancient civilizations. The origins of astrology date back to ancient Babylon, around 2000 BCE, where celestial observations were meticulously recorded. These early astrologers recognized correlations between celestial events and agricultural cycles, allowing them to predict seasonal changes essential for farming. Egyptian contributions. The Egyptians integrated astrology into their spiritual and religious beliefs, linking celestial movements with the activities of their gods. They developed complex systems of astrology that influenced both their daily lives and their understanding of the afterlife. Hellenistic period. The transition to Hellenistic astrology, 3rd century BCE, marked a significant shift in focus from predicting external events to exploring individual destinies and psychological insights. Influential figures like Claudius Ptolemy shaped astrological principles that are still in use today. Medieval astrology. During the medieval period, astrology flourished in Europe, affecting various fields like medicine and politics. Astrologers held influential positions, providing counsel to monarchs and aiding in significant decision-making processes. Cultural significance. Astrology continues to hold cultural significance across the globe. Hindu astrology. Jyotish in India. Jyotish emphasizes karma and spirituality, influencing various life decisions, including marriage compatibility and personal timing. This ancient system incorporates lunar and solar cycles, offering a comprehensive framework for understanding one's life path. Chinese astrology. Based on the lunar calendar, Chinese astrology uses a 12-year cycle represented by different animals, emphasizing the interplay of yin and yang and the 5 elements. It reflects cultural beliefs about balance, harmony, and cosmic cycles. Modern popularity. Today, astrology has experienced a resurgence, particularly among younger audiences. Social media platforms serve as avenues for sharing astrological insights, personal experiences, and daily horoscopes. Astrology offers a sense of connection and understanding in an increasingly complex and fast-paced world.